Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to shoot another video which is all going to be about adventure. So I have explored this place in Indore. It's around a 50-minute drive from my place. It's Lakshmi Aerosports and let's see what is in store for us. I'm very much excited. क्वालिटी ऑफ माई वीडियोज इम्प्रूव बिकॉज अभी मैंने न्यू iPhone 13 Pro Max परचेज किया है. इट वाज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई हस्बैंड. आई डेफिनेटली पोस्ट अ रिव्यू अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. मेरे डांट पड़ गई. हाँ, सो आज हम लोग घूमने जा रहे हैं, एडवेंचर करने जा रहे हैं टू लक्ष्मी एरोस्पोर्ट्स. लाइक इट वॉज ऑन माई विश लिस्ट फॉर प्रीटी लॉन्ग बट इट वॉज क्लोज ड्यू टू शट डाउन इन कोरोना थिंग. बट अभी इट हैज फाइनली ओपन एंड I just called these people in the morning and आपको यहाँ पे एडवांस बुकिंग करनी पड़ती है. So हमने ऑलरेडी 2 स्लॉट्स ले लिया, 1 for me and 1 for my husband. एंड देखते हैं वहाँ पे कितना मज़ा आता है. एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो बुक्ड एन ATV राइड विच आई थिंक वी आर गेटिंग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. इट वॉज जस्ट एन ऑफर फॉर टुडे. अगर आप ये ऑफर चाहते हो तो यू कैन कॉल दीज पीपल एंड आस्क while booking and I'm going to link their contact details in my description box both in Instagram and YouTube. You can check it out and देखते हैं आज बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है. and not just adventure, we are going to do some other stuffs also and we are going to roam around in the city and we'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned. Right now we are at the Ujjain road. This location is near the Dharampuri village. I'll pin down the exact location as well. Taking a pit stop because I have my lunch and we wanted to have something, so we are waiting to get the कुछ लेके आए and then we head to the location. बस 5 मिनट बचे हैं and then I'll show you how it is. So जैसे ही आप हाईवे पे आते हो उज्जैन रोड पे, आपको देवबागर रेस्टोरेंट के just 600 meters के आगे you will find this navigation board and quite easy to reach here. The location was not at all confusing. हमारा स्लॉट्स बुक है, इसमें भी ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. तो ये आपका लोकेशन है एंड दीज आर देयर कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स. डू गिव योर रिव्यूज़ ऑन दिस QR कोड एंड दीज आर द फेयर्स. सो वन इज़ for 1600 you are taken to a height of 400 feet and the duration is 5 to 6 minutes. 2100 for 700 feet, 10 to 11 minutes, and 2600 for 1000 feet, 15 to 16 minutes, and ATV is 250. And for today we have got complimentary ATV. मुझे सर ने बताया. So you have to do your advance bookings and you will get to know about their offers on call itself. And this is the view. दूर तक मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. And this is the booking office. There you can see the machine which is about to land. मैम ने मुझे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताया कि this paramotoring machine is available in 3 locations across the country. One is available in Noida, the second one in Bangalore, and the third one is in Indore. So we should be very proud that we have this machine in our state so that we can enjoy. And let me show you. This machine has landed. Now it's our turn, I guess. Oh my god, I'm getting very excited and nervous at the same time. More than me, Piyush is very nervous for me. Now we ride this beast. So we have got this for free and because today is over and I'm very excited. अभी मैं ये चलाने वाली हूँ. गोलू बिजी है फ़ोन पे. ही इज स्टिल वर्किंग. Hey, so excited. चलो चलाओ ना। मम्मी 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 रुको, पहले तुम बैठोगी कि मैं बैठूंगी? वही ना, गोलू मैं आगे बैठूं पीछे बैठूं? Is getting ready. They have imported this parachute worth rupees 6 lakhs from Israel. So this parachute you have imported from Israel, right? Okay, and so he is the founder and owner of this property, and he runs it, and he's a completely hospitable person, and you get amazing services here, and I'm so excited for my upcoming ride.
Sir, go ahead.
ओवरटेक तो नहीं आपको?
नहीं मतलब मेरे को इतना
नहीं, बस ठीक है।
बस हाँ हाँ मुझे अपने साइड से लाइक आई कैन टच दिस, आई कैन टच
नहीं नहीं, आपको यू डोंट हैव टू टच एनीथिंग, यू आर डोंट वरी।
So this is the headphone. ये noise cancellation है बाहर।
दिस इज मी एंड यू टॉकिंग।
Okay, okay.
So you are going to ride, sir? So the owner is going to ride it right now.
वही मैडम आई है जिनके 4 लाख फॉलोअर्स हैं,
मतलब 40,000
तो 40 से ज्यादा।
बहुत जल्दी होंगे 4 लाख आपके।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। अरे होने भी चाहिए। हम जा रहे हैं घूमने के लिए, और हम जो है 700 फीट जाएंगे। 700 फीट तुम पहुंच जाओगे। ज़्यादा पीछे हो जाओ, पैरेंट्स से
And we are ready to fly. Sir is also ready. I'm also ready. Bye, Golu. Love you. It was one hell of an experience. I'm going to remember it all my life. Thomas sir, you were a fantastic pilot, and I did not get scared for a minute. Also, he was making sure that I'm not getting scared. Guys, you should try this if you are in Indore, anywhere near Madhya Pradesh, or you can come from another state also. Do give it a try. It was one hell of an experience. I'm so excited for him also. Guys, these are the moments you live for. Like जब मैं ऊपर गई ना, it was like so serene. मैं सब कुछ भूल गई कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मेरा नाम क्या, मैं वो तक भूल गई. And I was just enjoying the view कि भगवान ने इतनी सुंदर दुनिया बनाई है. And everything was looking so small. And लग रहा था कि like life में सब कुछ, nothing matters. Just live in the moment. Give your best. Work hard. And just be a good person. It's so nice and so beautiful. Like when I started vlogging and blogging, it was so new for me. I started from scratch, but I never knew that one day will come like people and big brands, and these people, these owners will invite me to visit their property to cover and shoot and enjoy. So yeah, I would just give you a suggestion, one advice, that never hesitate to follow your heart, follow your dreams. Don't forget, like don't even think कि कौन आपके साथ है, कौन नहीं है, who is supporting, who is bitching about you, who is trolling you. Because if you follow your heart and if you just keep on working hard, good things will come your way, and nothing and nobody can stop that. So now it's his turn. Golu, are you excited? And his beast is also getting ready. All the best, Khalid! और सर, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, आपको इसको अच्छे से लेके आना है. ये मेरा इकलौता प्यार है, जीवन साथी है, सब कुछ यही है सर. इसको ओके सर, थैंक यू सर. How was it, Golu? Very nice. You loved it? So we are at this restaurant now, and coincidentally we met the owner of this restaurant in Aerocity itself, and he has invited us to be here. So you have these slides for the kids as well. So you have a sitting inside also, and then there's this outdoor sitting. So the weather is good, so we have decided to sit over here and dine. बहुत जोर से भूख लगी है ना, कुछ नहीं खाया हमने सुबह से. Like I had something, but he did not have anything. So it's going to be his first meal and my second meal. And most probably अभी 5 बज रहे हैं, तो मैं 6 बजे तक तो ऐसे भी डिनर कर ही लेती हूँ. So it's a good time to have my dinner, and this is going to be his breakfast. Sir, दाल मखनी तो बहुत अच्छी है. Thank you for this gesture. Okay, sir ने हमारे लिए मंगवाया है. Thank you so much, sir. So lovely and so nice. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए.
प्रमोद सोनी.
Okay, sir. Sir से हम मिले थे लक्ष्मी एरोस्पेस में, and just हमारी 1 मिनट की मुलाकात हुई, and sir did this gesture for us. And तो यहाँ का रेस्टोरेंट का दाल मखनी, like it was so nice and so tasty. And now let me try this dessert and give you my feedback. If you are like coming from Ujjain Road or towards Lakshmi Aerosports, it's just 500 meters before. Do visit this property, and it was very tasty. And now sir is giving me a tour of his property. सर ये भी नया खुला है कि ओके जस्ट नया. ओके ओके. सो अगर आप ये भोपाल जाता है ये रास्ता,
ये उज्जैन जाता है.
ओके उज्जैन जाता है. ओके. सो अगर आप इंदौर से उज्जैन जा रहे हैं, एंड अगर आपको एक पिट स्टॉप लेना है, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्लेस जहाँ पे आपके किड्स भी इंजॉय कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे किड्स एरिया भी बना हुआ है वे योर किड्स कैन एंजॉय, एंड वंडरफुल वॉशरूम्स.
ये हमारे एजुकेटिव शेफ है.
ओके 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 सर. दाल मखनी बहुत टेस्टी थी सर. ओके. एंड ये हमारा आउटडोर सिटिंग एरिया है. यहाँ पे भी अगर आप चिल करना चाहते हो, द वेदर इज़ वेरी नाइस. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, तो आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. यू गोइंग टू एंजॉय योर फूड. एंड अगर आप रात में आए हो एंड ठंड बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है, तो आप यहाँ पे इंडोर सिटिंग एरिया भी है, आप यहाँ पे भी बैठ सकते हो. ओके. नाउ यू कैन सी इसका एम्बियंस बहुत अच्छा है. So do give this property a visit, because you are going to have a nice time with your family. The food is very tasty, and the washrooms are also very clean. Now let me give you a slight tour of this property. This was all about today. We had an exciting day at Lakshmi Aerosports and then at the restaurant. And I hope you guys liked my experience. I would like to review it 4.5 on 5, because it's a must-have experience, and it's once in a lifetime experience. Because if you're in Indore or nearby, or from anywhere nearby Madhya Pradesh, you should definitely visit this place, as it's going to be worth every penny. Stay tuned for my upcoming vlogs and all the upcoming videos. We have many travel plans, and we are going to explore so many different places for you all, and I'm going to share my experience and my feedback, and whatever good or bad, I share it all with you all. So don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family who love traveling, who love exploring, and who just love watching my content. And do leave a comment and just share your positive feedbacks, and let me know if there's a scope to improve. Right now we are at the Ujjain Road. This location is near the Dharampuri village. I'll pin down the exact location as well. So now we have taken a pit stop, because I had my lunch, but he wanted to have something, so we are waiting कि जब वो जल्दी से कुछ लेके आए, and then we'll head to the location. बस 5 मिनट बचे हुए हैं, and then I'll show you how is it.